If you want to wrap an image or texture in GIMP and make it look like it belongs on a real 3D object, this video is going to help a lot. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to map a texture onto a shape like a cylinder, sphere, box, or plane using GIMP's built-in tools. This is a great technique for product mockups, design previews, and creating more realistic visuals without needing complicated 3D software. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open GIMP and load the image or texture you want to wrap. This could be a logo, a pattern, a label, or any graphic you want to place onto a 3D style object. Once your file is open, take a moment to make sure the image is prepared the way you want it, because the quality of the wrap depends a lot on the starting design. If needed, you can resize, crop, or clean up the image before applying the effect. Now go to the top menu and click Filters. From there, move down to Map, and then choose Map Object. This is the feature in GIMP that lets you project your image onto different object shapes, which is exactly what we need for this effect. When the Map Object window opens, you'll see several settings that control how the wrap is applied. The first thing to do is go to the Options tab. Here, look for the Map to drop-down menu. This is where you choose the target shape for your texture. Depending on your project, you can select plane, sphere, box, or cylinder. If you want a label wrapped around a bottle, cylinder is usually the best choice. If you're working on something like a ball or orb, sphere is the right option. For box-like objects, choose box. And if you simply want a flat mapped look, plane works well. After choosing the shape, check the transparent background option if you are mapping onto a standalone object. This is especially useful when you want the object to sit cleanly on a transparent or isolated background without extra fill around it. It helps keep the final result neat and more professional looking. Next, move over to the Light and Material tabs. These are really important if you want the wrapped image to look natural instead of flat. In the Light tab, you can adjust the direction of the highlights and shadows, which helps the texture match the lighting in your scene. In the Material tab, you can tweak how strong the reflective and shadowed areas appear. Small adjustments here can make a huge difference in how believable the final result looks. The goal is to make sure the wrapped image blends smoothly with the object, instead of just sitting on top of it. Once you've chosen your shape and adjusted the lighting and material settings, preview the result and make any final tweaks until it looks right. If the texture seems too bright, too dark, or not aligned properly, go back and adjust the settings again until you get a cleaner fit. Once everything looks good, apply the effect and export your image as needed. And that's how to wrap in GIMP using Map Object to create a realistic mapped texture on a 3D style shape. It's a simple but powerful tool that can save you a lot of time when designing mockups or visual assets. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more GIMP tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.